Good morning, grade 8 students, or good day, grade 8 students. It's me again, Mam-Gen Ponteras, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So we are now in third quarter of Map 8, Week 1 and Week 2. So nangangalahati na tayo ng ating school year. So congratulations, my dear students. Yan. So ngayon, we're talking about, ang topic natin ngayon is mathematical system. So medyo mahaba-haba siya kaya 2 week siya, week 1 and week 2. So we're going to have undefined terms, defined terms, postulates and theorems. So for today, our goal is to differentiate defined terms, undefined terms, postulates and theorems. So let us explain how are these connected. So before that, ito po yung aking reference na pinagkunan ng aking content. Yan. Okay, so in my discussion, draw your family tree. In your family tree, where is your parents, your siblings, if you have, and you? Why? Okay. So mathematical system is just like a family tree. So lahat ng binanggit natin na defined terms, undefined terms, axioms, postulates, and theorems are related to each other. So mamaya malalaman natin kung ano yung importance nila sa isa't isa. Kung paano yung bawat members ng family natin ay importante para mag-work yung ating sambahayan, yung ating family, ba? Sa mathematical system, ganun din. Bawat isa sa kanila is very important para para gumana o para mag-works yung system natin. Yan. Okay. So let us have the undefined terms. So undefined terms in geometry are points, lines, and planes. These are the words that cannot be defined but can be described. Okay. Bakit siya tinawag na undefined terms? Kasi most of the time, si points, lines, and planes ay dinidescribe lang natin. Hindi natin siya nabibigyan ng formal definition. Katulad nito, a point just represents someone's position or location. So, dinescribe lang yung function ng point. Pero hindi siya na-define kung ano nga ba yung point. Okay, so examples are dots, tip of a pen, mole, pimples, and alike. So, ganyan na i-describe ang point. So, kaya siya tinawag na undefined terms kasi we cannot formally define them but describe them rather. Okay, so can be a dot. Tapos, in naming a point, we use the capital letter. So, any capital letter, let's say A, this is point B. So, ang base dyan, point A, point B. Yan. So, ganyan lang natin siya ginagawa. Then, now, let us proceed sa line. A line is just a set of points that extend to both direction. It also works backward. Okay. So, dagdag ko pala, no, point has no dimensions. Sinabi nating no dimensions, ibig sabihin no length, no width, tsaka no height. Yan. Kaya po siya no dimensions. Now, a line is a set of points. So, sabihin natin dalawa yung points natin. By having 2 points, we have here a line. Yan. So, this will be line segment AB. Yan. Line AB lang. O kaya BA. Okay? Yan. So, ganito natin binibigyan ng name ang line. So, line BA or line AB. Isa lang yon. Yan. Okay. So, pansinin natin na ang binanggit is extended in both directions. Ito yan. Both directions. So, can be here. Paano natin malalaman na extended siya? Pag gumamit ng arrowhead. Pag gumamit ng arrowhead, ibig sabihin, extended po yun. So, ang line natin is na-extend to both direction. So, kung si point ay no dimension, ito ay mayroong length. Has length. So, ibig sabihin, ma'am, meron na siyang dimension? Yes, meron na siyang dimension. Kasi meron po siyang length. So it represents length. Represents length. So ano yung mga examples natin ng line? Pwedeng edge of a table. Edge of a table. Ano pa? Hairline. Yan. Pwedeng stick. Yan. So these are the representations only. Representations only lang siya ng line. Hindi siya yung mismong line. Okay? Kaya point and line is an undefined term. Okay? Now, notice that the lines, the points are collinear. Yan. A, B, and C. Yan. Ang tawag dito ay collinear. Sinabi nating collinear, parang sa pila. 'Di ba ang pila sunod-sunod, ayan. Magkakahilera, collinear, magkakahilera. Ayan. Ayan na, magkakahilera. Yung ibig sabihin ng collinear. Okay? Or formally, sige, define natin. Formally defined, collinear are points lie on the same plane. Lie on the same line. Di pala plane, same line. Let's say for example, A, B, and C. Yan. They are collinear. Pag ang points na ito nasa iisang linya sila, they are collinear. Now, ibig bang sabihin yan, si A and B lang ang points natin sa line? No. Sinabi nating line, marami pa siyang points na nasa line. So, bigay tayo ng ibang color. So, pwedeng may mga points pa to dito. Pwedeng nasa pagitan ni A and B. Pwedeng nandyan. Yan. Yun nga lang, dahil si point ay no dimension, hindi natin talaga siya mai-specify. Okay? So, ano yung purpose dito ni A and B? Ang purpose nito ni A and B is para lang i-indicate na meron tayong point dito sa part na to, meron din tayong point dito sa part na to. Yan. So, merong point dyan. So, yun yung silbi ng A and B natin. Yan. So, pwede rin ba akong dito magkaroon ng C? Pwede. Pwede ka rin dito magkaroon ng D. Okay? Now, so that's how we name a point. Now, let us proceed on plane. Oops. Wait lang. Yan. A plane is the same as line, except you have points everywhere and the points don't go in one specific direction. Okay. Ang gusto lang niya sabihin dito, yung mga points mo dapat ay hindi collinear. So, ito yung representation natin ng plane. Yan. Tapos, inside the plane is you have 3 points that are not collinear. Yan. So, we have here A, B, C. So, ang name nito is plane ABC, plane BCA, plane BAC. Yan. Ano pa? Plane CAB. Ano pa? Plane ACB. What else? Plane CBA. May CBA na ba? Plane CBA. So these are the possible names of our plane. Yan. So notice that the point should not be collinear. Kasi pag collinear na yung ano natin, 3 points, hindi na siya makakabuo ng plane. Ano lang siya, line lang siya. So pwede ba ako magkaroon ng pang-apat? Yes, pwede. D. Okay, pwede ba ng pang-5? Pwede pa rin. So anong sinisignify ng plane? So sabi niya, ang plane is maraming points. Marami siyang points sa loob. Nagkataon lang na ang in-specify natin is si A, B, C, D, and E. So, unlike line, plane can be extended everywhere. So, pwede tayo mag-extend dito. Pwede rin mag-extend siya dito. Yan. But again, this plane is undefined terms kasi most of the time, ano lang siya, dinidescribe lang siya. So, kung si point ay walang dimension, si line ay may length, si plane ay mayroong has length and width. So, dalawa. It has length and width. Okay. So, ano yung mga samples? So, ano yung mga examples natin ng plane? Wala pala akong examples sa line, no? Or meron? Meron pala, sorry. So, ano yung mga examples natin ng plane? Or can be represent sa plane? So, examples of plane. Pwedeng TV screen, laptop screen, ano pa? Sheet of paper, what else? Top of the table, oh, di ba? Top of the table. Pagpasensya nyo na yung aking lamesa, ang aking handwritten. Top of the table, ano pa? Surface of door. Pwede, surface of door. Hindi po mismong door. Bakit hindi yung mismong door? Kasi three-dimensional yung door eh. Yung surface lang, surface of door. Okay. So, and the like. So, marami pa tayong possible examples ng plane, ng line, at saka ng points. So, one thing for sure, bukod sa maingay yung dog ko, okay? Okay, so one thing for sure, both of them, points, lines, and planes, are undefined terms because most of the time, they can only describe. Dinidescribe lang natin siya, but we cannot formally defined. Okay. Now, since we've done in undefined terms, let us have the defined terms. So, defined terms, bakit siya defined terms? Kasi meron na po siyang definition. Yan, yung tatlo kasi wala siyang definition eh. Dinidescribe lang natin siya. Okay. Now, let us have the first defined terms, which is line segment. So a line segment is just a part of a line. Line segments stop somewhere in both directions. So let's say, meron akong line AB. Pag sinabi nating line segment, subset ng line siya, pero dito lang siya, AB. So pag kumuha ka ng pag binigyan mo ng pangalan, so this is line segment AB. Line segment AB o kaya ganyan lang line sa AB. So ano pinagkaiba nung may arrowhead? Yung may arrowhead kasi ay line yon. Ibig sabihin, it can be extended in both directions. Hindi katulad ni line segment, meron siyang boundary, nag-i-stop siya, meron siyang endpoints, which is A and B. Okay? So ibig sabihin, si line segment cannot be extended kasi nai-stop siya, wala siyang arrowhead. Cannot be extended. So ibig sabihin, dahil hindi siya ma-extend, meron siyang limited length only. Limited yung kanyang haba. Limited yung kanyang length. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, sa line segment AB, ibig bang sabihin nun wala ka ng infinite points? Marami pa rin points, pero hindi na siya infinite kasi nga naputol yung yung linya. Wala kang arrowhead. So, meron kang points here. Yan. Nasa pagitan ng A and B. Hindi katulad ng pag linya talaga yung ginawa mo. Let's say meron kang A dito tsaka B. Meron ka pang points after ni B. Yan, meron ka pang points dyan, meron ka pang points dito. Pero pag line segment, yung bounded lang ng A and B. Now, let us proceed sa ray. So a ray is like a line, but the line takes off in one direction to infinity while the other side is like a line segment. So balikan natin to. We have here AB. Pag sinabi nating ray, extend in one direction. So, pwedeng from here. Yan. So, isang arrowhead lang, ibig sabihin, that's ray AB. Or pwede ring Ito naman, pagkabila naman, this is ray BA. Ray BA. Yan. So, ibig sabihin ito, extended in one direction. Extended in one direction. One endpoint. One endpoint, may isang endpoint siya, may isang arrowhead, one arrowhead. Ito naman, two endpoints. Yan. Two endpoints. Yan. Okay. Yan. So, that is a ray. So, extend in one direction. So, limited ba ang length ng ray? Hindi. Kasi na-extend yung isang side eh. So, limited in one side, pero only dun sa kabila. So, parang limited in one side. Singit ko dito, limited in one side. Hindi katulad ni line, unlimited to both sides. Si ray is limited sa isang side, tapos only siya sa isang side. Yon. Yan, just like this one. Sige, illustrate ko. So, ito yung ray. Ito limited dito. Hanggang dito lang to, hindi na to ma-extend. Pero pagdating dito, pwede pa siyang mag-extend. Wait lang. This part. Pagdating dito, pwede pa siyang mag-extend ng line. Yan. So, that is ray. For opposite rays, these are the two rays, two rays that share the same endpoint and takes off in opposite directions. So, let's have this one. Let's say meron lang ako ditong A. Meron ako ditong B. Let's say, pag opposite rays, here, pwedeng here. So, this is ray AB. Pwede rin here. So, maglalagay na ako ng, sorry. So, maglalagay ako ng isa pa dito. Wait lang, burahin nga natin to. Yan. So, here, yan. Meron akong ray AC. Okay, so they are opposite rays. So, AB, ray AB is opposite of ray AC. Yan. So, pag pinagsama natin silang dalawa, yung opposite rays na yan, okay, makakabuo tayo ng line. Kailan natin masasabi na they are opposite rays? Siyempre, pag opposite yung directions nila, that's opposite rays. Okay? But take note, these two rays share the same endpoint. So, katulad nito, ano yung endpoint na, saan point sila nag-share? Dito sa point A. So, parehas sila ng endpoint A. Okay, next. Let's proceed sa angle. Okay, let's proceed sa angle. So, angle, two rays that share the same endpoint. However, the rays take off in different directions. The area in the middle of the two rays is the angle measure. Sige. Sinabi nating angle, this is a union of two rays with a common endpoint. So, let's say I have here ray AB and I have here another ray AC. So, this is a common endpoint A. The common endpoint is called as the vertex. Common endpoint is A. Ang tawag sa kanya ay vertex. Ito po ang ating vertex. So, asan dito yung mga ray natin? So, ito. Ray AB. This is ray AC. Yan. Okay po. Yan po yon. So, how do we name this angle? So, this is angle BAC or angle CAB. Notice that the vertex or the common point is in the middle. Nasa gitna yung vertex. Ganyan natin siya binibigyan ng pangalan. So, BAC, CAB. Ayan. So, yan yung name ng ating angle. Okay, the angle or the difference, ito, the middle of two rays. So, yung agwat po nila, this is the angle measure. Okay, so later on, we will talk about the angle measures. Yan. So these are the defined terms, the line segment, the ray, and opposite rays. Okay, saan galing? Saan ang family ni line segment? Saan ang family niya? Anyway, sige. Now, i-relate natin sa family tree yung tatlong undefined terms. Yan. Relate natin, no? So, siguro kung meron silang family tree, ito si point, tapos ito si line. Bakit point muna? Kasi yun yung basic right? Siya yung pinanggalingan ng lahat nito. So, ito line segment. Ito si ray. At ito si... Wala na ba? Wala na ba? Wait lang. Tama. Wait. Ray. Opposite rays. Ito kasi mga na-discuss natin eh. Opposite rays. Tapos point. Andito si plane. Okay. Yeah, by definition, hiniwalay ko si plane kasi ano siya, ayon sa pagkaka-describe sa kanya, pag meron ka ng 3 or more points na hindi ko linear makakabuo ka ng ng plane. Eh yung mga line, collinear kasi yung mga yan eh. Kaya nakahiwalay siya. Okay? Ito ay collinear. So meron lang tayong mga i-unlock na term, collinear, lines, points on the same plane. Same line, sorry. Points on the same line. Tapos, coplanar, points on the same plane. On the same plane. Ayan. Okay, so, this will be the end of week 1. Tapos, next time yung week 2 kasi medyo marami-rami. We're going to talk about the, postulates and theorems. Yan, so theorems na tayo. So ano yung essence nila? Bakit natin kailangan pag-aralan ito? Yan. So ito yung kanilang family tree. Yan. So kung meron po kayong questions, comments, or suggestions, you may put it on our comment section. So for now, ito lang muna. Bye-bye!